Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt, and in today's video, we're gonna be answering the question of, is SUPERLIFT's 4-inch suspension the best 4-inch Jeep Wrangler suspension lift on the market for under $1,000? Well, stay tuned as we show you guys why SUPERLIFT has one heck of an awesome kit for under $1,000. Also, if you guys are looking for wheels, tires, suspension, and accessories, make sure and check out our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com. Ready? Let's go. Starting off with the most important aspect of this lift, and one that SUPERLIFT is very proud of, is their dual rate location specific coil springs for the 2018 JL, JLU, and Rubicon models. Through rigorous engineering and design, SUPERLIFT has developed these springs to balance each corner of the Jeep specifically to offset the varying weight distribution, like the fuel tank, for example. These all-new dual-rate coil springs and shocks will provide an excellent ride quality on the road while allowing more extension and more droop for off-road performance while providing an even stance and long-lasting durability. Plus, with their all-new modern twin-tube gas-charged Shadow Series shocks included in with this kit, you'll get increased handling performance in varying off-road conditions while enhancing your Jeep's on-road performance as well. SUPERLIFT does rate this 4-inch kit to fit up to 35-inch tires on JL and JLUs and 37-inch tires on the Rubicon models. So with SUPERLIFT including replacement heavy-duty lower control arms, the dual-rate location-specific coil springs, their brand new nitrogen gas-charged Shadow Series shocks, extended bump stops, extended sway bar links, and all the other additional hardware needed to bolt this kit in, well, I'll let you guys be the ultimate judges in answering the question of if it's the best 4-inch lift for under $1,000. But in my opinion, it is, especially if you're looking for that best bang for your buck 4-inch suspension lift kit and not trying to break the bank. To check out this SUPERLIFT kit and other SUPERLIFT kits, make sure and head on over to our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com, and we'll also have a link posted in the description below. Also, make sure and hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out in the trails.